is part of being a woman. It's not true. Painful periods that impact your daily functioning could be a sign of endometriosis, a disease where tissue typically found in the lining of the uterus grows elsewhere in the abdomen. Now, endometriosis is a complex and often misunderstood condition affecting millions of women. Speaking during an endometriosis awareness forum at the Aga Khan University, Dr. Joan Okemo, a gynecologist, emphasized the need to raise more awareness of the disease for better prevention measures.
Also the intensity for the normal period is very kidogo. You would feel it and probably just ignore or use a hot water bottle and you feel better, or exercise, or just use simple thing like Panadol or Buscopan. But for endometriosis pain, the intensity would require you to use more strong medications for pain control, or even having to go for an injection for it. And also association with other things. So for the normal period, you would not have pain, for example, if you have sexual intercourse, or if you're passing stool or passing urine, which might be present if you have endometriosis.
To get diagnosis early. It's really important to get diagnosed early because management can start early, and once you start early management, the beauty is that even planning for a family, it's possible. Your doctor is saying that it's progressing, but at least there are things that can be done. They can be freezing of your eggs, there can be those kind of things, and interventions, the kind of medication to put you on which will not inhibit you getting children later. Yeah, so the earlier you're diagnosed, the better for you because it aids in your planning and you take control.
Now, the Kenya Primary Schools Heads Association